Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you real quick on how to get traffic to your gig. You can get a lot of traffic, 200, 400, depends on which number of traffic you want to enter your gig a day. So on this platform you have to do some tasks. Either you buy what we call credits, or you like someone else post, or you visit someone else platform so you can get someone else to visit your platform, which is the gig you want to drive your traffic to. So let's just get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you the platform. So firstly, you're just going to visit a platform called like.org, like.org. So this is the platform. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So as for you, you're just going to click on the register. Then you're going to fill up the form, your username, your password, your email, and you're just going to agree to your terms and condition, and mark yourself as not a bot. Then you're just going to click on the submit. So you have to verify your email after clicking on the submit button. So as for me, I already registered on the platform, so I'm just going to log in right away. So okay, so this is the platform. As you can see, I've got 294 credits, and I have the opportunity to get 5,001 credits today. So these are the referral credits and opportunity to get this week. So as you can see, this platform, this is a place where you can get traffic to your gig daily. So getting the traffic to your gig, it's either you purchase what we call credits. The credits is just like this. When someone visits your link, the person is gonna get this credits. So while you visiting someone else credit link, so you also get credit. So this is how you can purchase credits through your PayPal, through your Bitcoin. You can purchase credit through coin payment, and your Bitcoin and your crypto and your PayPal. So it depends on the amount of credit you want to purchase to drive traffic. And you can drive traffic to your gig. You can drive traffic to your affiliate link or your website, just any link you want to drive your traffic to. So to input your link on this platform, so you can drive your traffic to the link. So you're just gonna click on manage pages, then you come down to website views. So after coming down to website views, so you just click on the website views. So you're gonna copy your the link you wanna drive the traffic to. So I have my Fiverr link here, so I'm just gonna copy the link right away and put it here. So as you can see, this is where you put a set URL. So now this credit is, the higher the credits, the faster people visit your gig or your affiliate link or your website. So me, I don't want people to visit my Fiverr gig that frequent. So I just want it. I want the impression, maximum, and the clicks. So I'm just gonna put it like something of 6. So 6 is enough. So I'm just gonna put it at 6. So you're just gonna click on add URL. So the URL is gonna add. So now this is the URL is added, and you'll see active. So let's assume, and you're gonna click on the save. Let's assume you are driving traffic to an affiliate link, and you are required to drive 300,000 traffic to that. I'm sure that will take you like 3 months, but let's it's like maybe 3,000 traffic to an affiliate link. So this is where you can have a proof of how many people visited the link. So it's gonna count here. You can put a limit to the like maybe you have 50,000 points here. You can just put like 40,000 points. You can put like 5,000 points daily. So as soon as the 5,000 points is exhausted, you won't get any visit to the affiliate link, website, or gig anymore. So that is how it works. And the most important thing in this is you can target any country you want. So now you can either tick all or untick all. So it's just like, okay, maybe you are asked to target people in the United States and the UK. So you're just gonna come down here and click United States, and you click UK both, then you're just gonna click on the save. So anyone in the US and in the UK are only going to see your affiliate link, website, or Fiverr Gig. So as you can see, custom, the rest of the world won't see your link. But if you have to target any place, you can just tick all. Then everyone from each country will be seeing your gig as and that's how it works. So it's just pretty easy. And to get if you don't want to buy credit and you want to get credit for free, you have to visit someone else's URL, which is you coming down to website view, and you visit someone else's URL and you get to value for each URL you visit. So guys, this is how you can get a lot of traffic down to your gig. I'm sure you guys have learned from this video. Kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more amazing videos, and click on the like button if you like this video. See you guys in my next video.